is a little rabbit. You can see from my hand how big it is. And I've been working on this for a while. And the whole point is that I'm going to make a mold of it and then cast it in, I don't know, perhaps some sort of silicone and then plaster cast. But this is done after the many 19th century enamel sculptures that I've seen. It's a very different style. It's supposed to be kind of a quick looking style, but yet at the same time, it does have a lot of finishing touches to it. What I'm doing now is simply putting the finishing touches. I don't want to lose a lot of the texture because the texture, I think in sculpture and modern sculpture, for example, people tend to make it a little bit too sterile. And especially with this is monster clay. It's very difficult to make it seem like it was made by a person. I don't know, there's a certain quality that happens with oil-based clay, and it just doesn't seem that interesting to look at. And what I wanted to do with this is make something that resembles that a human made it. So not perfect, it's more of an impression, but it did take me a while because these small, tiny sculptures are very difficult to do. You do have to rely on a lot of anatomy. What I did is I found a tile, and this is just like a floor tile that I had, and that was the perfect layout for the sculpture. I'm going to do a series of these little tiny little sculptures because they're fun. When you make a mold, for example, this doesn't take up as much rubber than a large one. And it's also not as complex, so it's just like a little box. You fill it and you're done. So hopefully that's going to be the case. I'm also going to be scanning this little guy and putting it up on my Patreon. So if you are interested in downloading and printing this, make sure you click on the link below, become a subscriber, and thank you for watching. I am almost at 27,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate that. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.